Hi everyone, welcome back to Elena Crafts. If you'd like to make the adorable mini paper bookshelf from the intro, don't forget to download and print the free template from the link below. Now, let's cut them out together. Next, let's cover the book covers with clear tape to make them stronger and more durable. Once you've cut them out, you'll have lots of tiny book covers just like these. To make folding easier, let's score all the fold lines first, then fold each piece into shape. Next, glue the rectangular wood pattern piece inside the bookshelf, just like I'm doing here. Now, fold up all four sides, then glue them together. Just follow along with me. Once everything is glued together, your bookshelf should look like this. It kind of looks like a picture frame, doesn't it? Let's make it look more like a real bookshelf by adding 2 shelves inside. Let's get started. Now glue the 2 shelves into place. Doesn't it look so much more like a real bookshelf now? All right, now let's make some tiny books to fill up our bookshelf. There are 2 ways to make the books. For the first method, simply print out page 3 of the template. Cut along the red lines just like I'm showing you. Then, fold it like this. Apply some glue to the inside flaps with the black lines. This will hide the black lines and give your book a cleaner look.
Next, fold the book cover just like I'm doing here. Then glue the pages inside.
Once the glue is dried, you'll have a tiny book that looks just like the real thing.
Now let's move on to second method. These books won't open page by page, but they're much neater and perfect for decorating your bookshelf.
Cut out the pieces from page 4 of the template, then fold them just like I'm doing here. After that, carefully glue them onto the book covers. I've only included a few sample books for each method in the template, so if you need more, just print out another copy of the page you're using. Here's the finished bookshelf. Doesn't it look just like the real thing? Feel free to arrange the books however you like. I honestly found it so relaxing to fill the shelves. It was surprisingly satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aliena Crafts. I'd love to see you again at my next DIY project. See you next time!